This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Carrie Porter. Never run out of room in this large, beautiful home. It features 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms and a second-floor laundry room. There is an office on the first floor. The lower level would be great for entertaining or turn it into an in-law suite. Built-in wine storage is in one of the storage rooms. The master bedroom has a huge master bathroom and walk-in closet. Plenty of outdoor space with the oversized back deck, the patio and the yard. Major systems included are reverse osmosis water filtration system, water softener, radon mitigation, newer HVAC and newer hot water tank. Too many wonderful things to list about this amazing home. Make this dream house your new home today. For more information, review